These guys are last year's national champions.
So coming on to the Purina Arena, the defending national champions in freestyle flying discs, Jack Faley and Ferris, on a beautiful day at Purina Farms for this 2024 Purina Pro Plan Incredible Dog Challenge National Championship Finals. All right, here we go. Jack Faley trying to make it another win here at Purina Farms with his 10-year-old male Border Collie Aussie mix named Ferris. Dog skills, handler skills, the catch percentage comes into play when the judges are reviewing the routine. Some great catches going on, utilizing the arena nicely. Jack Faley and Ferris, Dade City, Florida. Really nice combinations. Some tough competitors on the roster coming into this competition. Mona Harai making her way out from Japan. Andrew Hahn putting up a big score. So Jack Faley up against a solid list of contenders entering this final stop, the National Championship Finals. Fun routine, great communication right now between Jack Faley and Ferris. Ferris, a Pro Plan fed dog. In fact, Purina Pro Plan Complete Essentials is the choice. A rescue dog as well from the Border Collie Rescue of Minnesota. Now entertaining
30 seconds left.
packed arenas such as here at Purina Farms for the Purina Pro Plan Incredible Dog Challenge National Championship Finals. Judges are going to have their work cut out for them in freestyle flying disc today. Once again, handler skills, dog skills, putting together a fantastic routine. Judges most likely will love this, and they will get set up for the bonus catch round to try to snag a couple more points.
Okay, wow, let's make some noise for all the handlers.
Talked about Mona Harai earlier. She posted a score of 89.1. Andrew Hahn, strong competitor out of Wisconsin with an 88.5. Jack Faley and Ferris will wait for the judges to tally up the routine. But this is straightforward. The bonus catch round. Basically, throwing the disc from one Purina checkerboard to the next. But the dog, and of course Ferris in this case, will have to catch the disc within the checkerboard, at least catch it outside, and maintain control and land in the checkerboard square. He wants to hear a little noise from the crowd. Nice job, Jack. And Ferris has one more try to gain that extra point. Got it! Yes! And that 1 point could be the deciding factor, and it is. Check this out, 89.7. That 1 point bonus throw made a huge difference. So they will win the National Championship Finals again here at Purina Farms. Jack Faley and Ferris, national champions, freestyle flying disc.